Welcome back to the channel, guys. It has been a long time, but the Audi is officially running again. Check it out. I like it. So we did a full motor rebuild, everything to the car, and KO4 turbo. Now I'm going to go and try and put the tune on the car so that way I can actually drive it. I'm only driving like 2 miles down the road, so to the people who hate on that, I don't care. So let's go ahead without further ado. Let's go get the tune put on this thing and see how it performs. I kid you not, I got the car to where I'm going to tune it and an injector failed like as I pulled in. So cylinder 3 injector is just blowing fuel out of it. It's stuck open. So now I'm gonna have to fix that here and get the tune put on it and everything, and then hopefully it'll just run better afterwards, but kind of sucks. That is just my luck. So if you can't tell, it is dark outside because we put the tune on and it ran like trash. Turns out that it had a huge vacuum leak from the throttle body. So then we end up having to tap the threads and the intake and everything for the throttle body. But finally, after hours of dealing with the tuning and just everything, it is running. So let's go drive it, just make sure everything is good. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I just wanna make sure that the car runs. Jesus, it has been the longest day. Like, I cannot tell you, it has been the longest day. So I'm just glad that it is making the noise that it should be. Let's go drive it. Finally, this thing is just driving good. I mean, I'm on a short drive. I've got a solid couple miles on it so far. Oh man, it's been good. I just hope it stays like that. Okay, so I've been driving the car for about 2 more days and everything seems to be going pretty well. The tune wasn't necessarily the problem whenever I was first putting it together. The problem was it had a major vacuum leak at the throttle body. That's why I put that clip in there, how it kind of ran funny. Everything has been good since. We got everything straightened out. Cars ran great. It's actually getting pretty good gas mileage. I'm getting over 30 and I'm impressed with the power, and I haven't even gotten on it but like 3/4 throttle. I'm just trying to break it in first, but I can go ahead and show you guys some of the stuff that we did, and we'll see what you guys think. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys some of the stuff that we have here. So we have a CTS turbo, cold air intake, CTS turbo, Catless downpipe, test pipe, whatever. We got a JHM KO4 turbo in there, bigger intercooler. That was already on the car prior, but everything is working together well. It still does some of its little Audi things like it does with the EPC light and everything, but the car overall is driving fine. Everything, manually checking everything, it's good to go. So I'm just gonna keep driving it. It can do its Audi things. I don't care. I'm still just gonna drive the car. I haven't really gotten on it or anything because it's been too too soon. It needs about 500 miles or so. I'd like to put on it, break in first, because it's all forged internals and everything now as well. But the car is doing very good so far. So let's just hope and pray that this thing stays together and it doesn't do as many Audi things this time around. So I can go ahead and give you guys an idea of what it sounds like now with the new pipe and everything installed. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It's not overly loud, and I can go ahead and give it a couple of revs. It's already warm. Not too bad for a little 4-cylinder. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll have a lot more fun content coming up with it soon. We'll be testing things like the 0 to 60, maybe 1/4 mile time. I want to take it to the track, actually see what it runs. In the meantime, I just got to break it in for a little bit of like 500 miles, and we'll change the oil, make sure everything is good before I really get into driving the car. So just stay tuned because those videos are going to be coming very soon, and I will see you guys in the next one.